success is about liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. So, yan yung sinabi ni, yan yung sinabi ni Maya Angelou, yung author, American author. So, um, you really have to, passion is very important kahit anong gawin mo. So, kahit saan kang industriya mapunta. So, you really have to love what you do and you really have to give all your best. Yun lang naman. Wala naman kasi yung ingredient kung ano man. Kailangan mo lang talaga, you should know the why. Why you do things. Why am I doing this? So, you have to figure it out. And then, I will not tell you what to do, how to, how to know, no, but to guide. I'm just here to guide them, and I'm just here to support them. I will not tell them what to do. So, yun, and very supportive naman ako sa lahat. So, yun lang, but ang ano ko lang sa kanila is, dapat lang alam talaga nila and they should read, read, and kasi you cannot write if you do not read. So, and at the same time, I want them to have grit. Yun na kasi yung wala sa mga younger generation. The grit, resilience, yun. Madali na lang mag-give up, konting ano lang. So, ngayon, I want them to really have grit para dun mo kasi malalaman kung showing up when everybody's absent. So, I think that's it. Not easily giving up.